Morning all of you. Class 1 Oak, are you ready for the mathematics class? 1 Oak, are you ready beta? Reply me. Nandini, what happened? Okay, very good. Very good morning all of you. Shubhayu. Okay, fine. You all are ready for the maths class? Then let's start now. Okay, you all please take out your math magic book. Good morning all of you. Previous class we have completed till page number 7 of your math magic book. Right? Am I right beta? Previous class we have completed till page number 7 of our math magic book. Yes. So today we want to start from the next page, page number 8. Page number 8. So you all please take out your math magic book and open page number 8. Chapter number 1, page number 8. Okay? And you all please, students, please mute your own microphone, and better if you turn off your front camera. If others can see, then no problem. Animesh, what is this? Good MONP. What? Okay, fine. And you all please mute your own microphone. Okay, beta? Ayon? Yes, fine. Ashmita, mute your microphone, beta. Ayush Bhakot. Shubhayu, Trishita, you have to mute your own microphone, beta. You all please mute your microphone. Okay, fine. And now you can see the board clearly. You all can see the board clearly. Can you hear my voice? Can you hear my voice? Yes or no? Okay, fine. Let's start. Today I will discuss on, under, above, below. Okay, previous class we discussed nearer, further, nearest, farthest, smaller, bigger, biggest, smallest. Right? In this part we have top, bottom. This part we have completed previous pages. Okay, so now in this page you all please open your own book and follow this picture. Follow this picture. Where is the fan? There is a table. The fan is above the table. Here in front of me there is a table, and on my head there is a fan. Where is the fan? I can say the fan is above the table. The fan is above the table. And where I am standing below the fan. I am standing here below the fan. Okay? And the boy is, look, the boy is below the fan. The boy is below the fan. Ombika, any problem beta? Okay, fine. And now here this cat, let's see, follow the picture. The cat is sitting on the table. Where is the cat? The cat is on the table. And where is the rat? And where is the rat? The rat is under the table. Under the table. Where is the cat? The cat is on the table. And where is the rat? The rat is under the table. If I keep my bottle on the table, then if I ask where is my bottle, you can say, you all will say, ma'am, your bottle is on the table. Your bottle is on the table. Okay? If I keep my bag below the table, then you can say, you all will say, ma'am, your bag, where is my bag? If I ask you, then you all will say, ma'am, your bag is below the table. Okay, now here the bag is under the table and the boy is sitting on the table, and this boy is sitting on the table, and this on, above, below. I am standing below the fan. Where is the fan? The fan is above the table. I am standing in front of a table also. because in my table there is a laptop, and there is a desktop, keyboard, mouse, CPU, everything is here, okay, in my table. And where is the book? The book is on the floor. Where is the book? The book is on the floor. And look, this boy, where is this boy? This boy is under the table, and this boy is on the table, and this boy is under the table. Okay, now turn over the next page. Turn over, nothing to solve in this page, and next page also I will discuss and you will listen to me. Page number 9. Turn over the next page, page number 9. There is a picture. Some people are there. Someone is doing some work and someone is other work. All are doing something. Look, these boys are playing and these women are carrying water. This is a well, and from well they are taking water from this well. And here, nearer, further, near, far, top, bottom. Where is the pot? The pot is on the head, and this pot is beside the well. Okay, now please everyone, please follow me. This woman is near the well. This woman, here 3 women are standing, okay, and 1 woman taking water and going to home. Look, this woman is near the well, and this woman, third woman, is far from the well. Far from the well. Okay, and 3 boys are playing. This boy who is wearing yellow vest, that boy is near the well, and this girl is far from the well. This boy is far from the well. Okay. Jasmine, English over, beta. Don't send this this one English work, no need to send now. Please follow your math work. Now here, this house is near the tree. This house is near the tree, and this house is far from the tree. Far from the tree. Okay. Top, the bird is top of the tree, and here this is a bullock cart. This is a bullock cart. This woman is near the bullock cart, and this woman are far from the bullock cart. Okay. Okay, nothing here. Nearer, near, far, top and bottom. Now turn over the next page, page number 10. Page number 10. You all please turn over the next page, page number 10. Shapes around us. Shapes around us. Have you seen orange, watermelon, football, cricket ball, marble, balloon? Have you seen or not? Reply me, beta. Yes, and yes, Amrita, very good, beta. And have you seen that chalk box, dice, any gift box? Have you seen this one or not? Any type of box have you seen or not? Yes. Very good. Sham, these are orange, football, balloon, tomato. These are round in shape. These are round in shape. And these are square in shapes. Look, dice, this box, chalk box, these all are gift box, these all are square in shape. What you have to do now? Put the shapes in the pink and yellow boxes by drawing a line. You have to put the shapes. The boy is sitting in front of the pink box and the girl is sitting in front of the yellow box. You have to put the round shapes object in the yellow box, and you have to put, one has been done for you, and square shaped put in the pink box. Okay, so you all please follow the board carefully. This is the pink box, left side pink box and the right side yellow box. Okay, and these are the object. This is a orange and football, tomato and balloon, and here is a gift box, chalk box, okay. Now you have to, and inside there is a dice. Okay, now you all please put the square one in the pink box. Square object please put in the, very good Oshmita. Now please put inside this box two square one. Please put the square shaped in the pink box. Okay, and the circle one please put inside the yellow box. Okay, done. Circle one please put in the yellow box, and very good all of you, Nandini and Trishita, Shimran, Oshmita, very good beta, done. So this box put here, and this box and this box please put in the pink box, and the circle object, this object please put in the yellow box. Now the next part, this work completed. Orgho, very good beta, and all objects you have to put, okay, in the this box. Orgho. Now next part, match the similar shape by drawing a line. Match the similar shapes by drawing a line. Here is given tomato and one gift box, another chalk box, and here is marble. Okay, and a dice, here is a football, and balloon and chalk box, and this is a chalk box. Okay, now you have to match. One has been done for you. This dice and this one already match. Now balloon and tomato, you match balloon with tomato, and marble with football. You all please match this. Balloon with tomato and football with marble and chalk box, and with this gift box. Please match with this. Please match this one. You all please. Done everyone? Completed or not? This part completed. Okay, fine. But not that one. Today we will solve till this part. And sorting in the next class I will discuss. Not now. Not now. Can you tell me then what is the shape of this? What is the shape of the blackboard? What is the shape of the blackboard? Can you tell me? Please reply me on chat. Shape of the blackboard. Orgho, am I told to solve this one? Yes, very good Tishita, Nandini, Jasmine, Oshmita, very good beta. Rectangle, it is rectangular in shape. Okay, when I will tell to solve this page, then they will solve. Nobody will solve before to me. Okay, without my permission, nobody will solve in your book. No any pages. Oh, 3, very good beta. Shayon, very good. Can you tell me what is the shape of a marble? What is the shape of a marble? Can you tell me what is the shape of a marble? Marble. Circle. Very good. Very good. Very good, all of you. Can you tell me what is the shape of a cricket ball? Very good, all of you. Rishita, circle beta. Yes, round. Oshmita, it's a round in shape. Obviously, it is a circle. We can see that one is a round in shape. Okay, fine. And next is, can you tell me dice? What is the shape of a dice? Dice. What is the shape of a dice? Have you seen? And there is a dice. We use dice. There is written 1, 2, 3, 4 numbers. Our dots are there. Square. Very good, Jasmine. Very good, Nandini. Very good, all of you. Very good. Today till page number 10. Next class I will discuss from 11. Now I will take your attendance. Who are present? Please reply me quickly. Nobody will leave the class without my permission. Okay? Please, all of you who are present, please call your name now. Arush Ghosh, present today. Next, Ayon Mukherjee. Ayon Mukherjee present today. Next, Afrin Sultana present. Next, Ombika Datta. Ombika present. Next is Animesh Nag. Animesh Nag present today. Where is your name, Animesh? Got it. Animesh Nag present today. Next, Anurag Murmu. Anurag present today. Next, Orgho Mondol. Orgho. Where is Orgho? Orgho Mondol present today. Got it, beta. Next, Oshmita Haldar. Oshmita Haldar present today. Next, Oshmita Bali. Oshmita Bali present today. And Oshmita Bondhu. 3 Oshmita in this class. And Oshmita Vabok also. Oshmita Bondhu, Oshmita Vabok, all are present today. And next, Otri Dash. Otri Dash present today. Next, Oviraj Hajra. Oviraj Hajra. Got it? Oviraj Hajra present today. And Ayush Bhakot. Ayush Bhakot present today. Goirika Mondol. Goirika Mondol present today. Next is Jasmine Ali, the father. Jasmine. Jasmine present. Moyuk Maji. Moyuk Maji present. Shrestha Nag. Shrestha Nag present today. Nandini Ganguly. Oh, Nag Shrestha. Nandini present today. And Shayon Barui present. Shimran Shaha. Simran Shaha present. Shauhadra Roy present. Srijon Bhattacharya present. Shubhayu Datta present. Trishita De present. Okay, I have taken your attendance. Okay, for today this much. Next class I will discuss from page number 11, shorting. Okay, and whatever done in the class you all will practice in your home. Bye beta, bye all of you. Have a nice day.